make sure that what I'm doing with you today, you work with me till the very end right now, because this part is going to help you to make 2026 as the best year of your life. All I want you to do right now, hands on your heart, close your eyes, and relax your energy. Now, with your hands on your heart and your eyes closed, repeat with me. Dear 2025, I'm sorry for all the negatives I thought about you. I am sorry for believing that many things that happened should not have happened. I'm really sorry for all the regrets and all the sadness I caused myself in 2025. Please forgive me for thinking something is wrong with me. Please forgive me for believing my life is imperfect. Thank you, dear 2025, for giving me so much in my life. Actually, 2025 was better than many years of my life. And today I want to thank you for it. I love you for being in my life and for all the blessings I got in 2025. Now, as you keep your hands on your heart, I want you to remember the 5 biggest blessings of 2025 and show me one finger at a time as you think of it. What's the first biggest blessing you got in the year 2025? What was the second one? What was the third one? What was the fourth one? And what was the fifth one? Amazing. Now say, dear 2025, I allow you to move on gracefully, without any regrets, with only gratitude and love. I now welcome 2026 with gratitude and love. Dear 2026, I am ready for you. I am ready to be the best person I have ever been. I am ready to live life platinum standards. I am ready to raise my standards emotionally. I am ready to raise my personality, my beliefs, my actions. Because when I die, it really doesn't matter what I achieve. What matters is who I am and who I have become. So 2026, I promise, while the whole world is working on goals, I will work on making myself the best version of my life that I have ever been. As a result of that, 2026 will automatically become the best year of my life. I promise to be a giver. I promise to vibrate at satisfaction. I promise to remember I'm always taken care of. I promise to attract abundance because I deserve it. Because we all deserve it. I promise to make myself the best version of me in 2026 and automatically attract the best year of my life. Dear 2026, I am ready for you. I'm ready for magical year, the most magical year of my life. Relax your energy. Are you ready to make 2026 the best version of you, which will automatically make 2026 the best life ever? How many of you agree? Awesome.
Do you want to have more experiences in detail? Are you someone like me who loves to go in depth of something? No problem. In the description below in this video, I've given you a link. Click on that link, register there. There's a free Hope Nope No lesson that I'm doing for full 90 minutes where I give people something I call as tears of joy experience. Where in the session itself, you'll release all your negative emotions that you've got accumulated unconsciously, subconsciously. We've got so many negative emotions within us. Let's release all of that. And tell me in the comment section how was today's video. I would love to read more about your comments. See you soon in the next video. Bye.